Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another headlamp review, this time from NItecore. Now this is their HC65 V2. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this latest version. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. And you get the warranty card. We have a user manual here. Now this is on the small side, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on screen for you can see. And as you can see, it puts out 1750 lumens on the highest output. That's pretty amazing. Alright, now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen, otherwise we're going to move along. This user manual is in multi-languages. Now this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need. 2 O-rings. And of course a USB charging cable. This is a Type-C. Now I like it when the band is already put together for you. Some people have difficult time putting them together, so NItecore does it for you automatically. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. You can adjust this, of course. This is a little on the stiff side here. Does have a little bit of give, but not much. So you can angle this easily if needed. To have an area here where the sweatband guard is on there. Power switch here. Now here is the charging port. And this is really nice because it keeps from water getting inside of the light and damaging it. So well greased there. See the charging port there. Angle that on there just right to be able to screw it back down. This is the battery compartment here. A little bit of heat sinking here on the top. Band, of course, is very comfortable, stretchable, and it does have a nice balance to it. So you got the top of your head as well as the side, and that really helps out when you have to carry it and wear it for a long time. Fully adjustable. Now I've got a large head, so this is going to fit me just fine. Now of course style and design on this is very nice. I'm not seeing any issues with this whatsoever. Now I have many headlamps from NItecore that I've tested over the years, and this one here looks like it's going to keep with the tradition. Not only in build quality, which is top notch, but also durability. But the machining and finish on this is very nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the front area. Got special optics. Now this here is the Luminous SST40W LED. You got 2 little auxiliary LEDs. We'll go over those later. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take the battery out and I'll show you the insides. That is a dual tail spring on there, heavy duty. Now you do have a protection piece here on the battery. You want to remove this. Here's the included battery with my kit here, 3500 milliamp. This is an 8 amp cell on the protection piece. Should provide plenty of run time for this light. Straight contact point down on the head, so you will need to use only button top cells. Now you can run unprotected button top cell if you can find them. Let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now when you first put in the battery, it's going to show you your battery level. See if I can do this here. You can see a blank here. .1 on the battery right out of the box. Well, that's nice. And we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's the lowest setting. Go through those light outputs. This is a cool white. Now there is a protection piece on the front here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Turns it off. Easy turn on. Clicking that will go through the light outputs. Let's look at the main LED here. As you can see, just a huge hot spot there, and the way the optics are, this is pretty common. It's going to have just a tapering of the spill area, and we'll go up 1700 lumens on a headlamp. Crazy bright. Lowest setting, one click again, goes through those light outputs, press and hold, turns it off. Double click if you want the side auxiliary LED. Now you can go through those LED light outputs. Now we have the side one. Now this is going to be more of a 5000 Kelvin, and it is pure flood. Great for up close. And of course you have beacon. You have SOS. And that's at the full light output as well. Click it one time, goes back to the red LED. Now anytime you want to exit out of this, press and hold, turns that light. Now remember, double click from off, press and hold, single click that to go through the regular LED light outputs. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty simple, straightforward, easy to use, rugged. I don't see any issues with this. Really is a nice quality headlamp. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this HC65 out in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the NItecore HC65 V2 on my head. We're going to go ahead and do the red beam first. As you can see, pretty decent light output here for that purpose. Real floody. Go to the next level here. Very impressive. Red beam, and it is definitely going to conserve your night vision. go to the white one here as soon as I get past the blinking. There's the white beam. I'll give you an idea how that looks on the fence. Just a huge area in front of you lit up. Now that water spout there is 35 feet. Super cold outside this morning. Go to the next level here. That's beacon. And of course you got SOS. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the main beam. And that again is on. Really low on the main LED. And you can see about 13, 14 feet. Putting you on this level. And go to the next level. There we go. It's come alive now. Making 65 feet now. Water spout there again. 35 feet. Go to the next level. Spill has really come alive. Way down here below your beam. Beam becomes larger and wider as it gets out there. Making that tree there 138 feet to the tree of life. Impressive. Great hands-free. Having an extra light. I usually have a headlamp on my head, and if I run out of battery power on my other lights, that's my I'm leaving light. Look at that. Usually making a tree of life now. Just a huge area out there. And it is making 238 feet now. See there? So you got at least 250 feet of view with this light. And then all the way down below you. Impressive. Way out to the sides. Up and down. Tree line. Fence line. Impressive performance. Good job, NItecore. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the highest output. Look at that. Beam profile on that. Man, this thing is doing really good. Easily see 250 feet or more with this light. I'll list all my distances below my videos in a link, making it to that park across the playground, or to the playground across the park. Look at that. Tree line, fence line, look at that. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. always impressed with NItecore's headlamps. This one here with the side LED here that's all pure flood definitely is impressive. Great for if you're working on the car, power outage happens, you're going to get the best runtime off of that versus the main LED. You'll have to have it on the lower light outputs in order to get the good runtime, but you're going to have the range with this one here, which is nice. Now when I was out there, I kind of was playing with it, and I pressed down and held the light and it immediately came on the highest output. So definitely a nice little feature there. So I wanted to show everybody that. So you got the instant access to the highest output. Now this light does not have memory mode, so it always starts off on the lowest setting, which is great so you don't blind somebody when you're looking at them. Now another great thing with this, of course, is the charging system, which is Type C, which is going to quickly charge this 18650 cell, which is a nice feature. You can use other batteries, of course. You can order extra from the NItecore store as well. I have a discount code that works on everything. And again, I want to thank NItecore for sending me this HC65 V2 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, remember, this complete kit comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down in the description to the NItecoreStore.com. Also, my special discount code will be there. That'll help save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these headlamps from NItecore to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.